Hey guys, what's going on? Joker88, welcome back guys. I'm so sorry I haven't been posting any videos. I've been so busy. But anyways, today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about cars. Let's talk cars. As you know from my channel, I'm a car junkie. So just in this small amount of time I've been on YouTube, we had the Lamborghini, we had the R8, the Fisker Karma, and I purchased the after the R8 I went ahead and got the Alfa Romeo 4C. So it got me thinking. I keep on telling my wife all these cars that I want to get, and and then I just bought the i3, and my wife was like, "Joe, man, you're insane because you spent all this money, and then next thing you know, after like a few months, 5 months, 6 months, 8 months, you want to get rid of it." So I kept on talking to her about buying a Ferrari, and she goes, I am not going to spend all that kind of money to buy a Ferrari and then you just to want to sell it again in like, in a small amount of time. So she goes, here's what we could do. I'll rent you a Ferrari. So that's what she did. The Ferrari behind me, that's a Ferrari 458, and that is the model that I was looking to get, but I didn't like the Spider, but it was good to try the Spider, so she got me the Spider. She got me this through Turo, and Turo is a great place where you can rent cars, and I'll put a link to this particular Ferrari so you guys can rent it if you guys are in the Southern California area. So let's talk about this 458. I mean, the styling is beautiful. All Italian designers, I mean, they just designed some really incredible stuff. Look at the younger sibling of this, cousin, the Alfa Romeo 4C launch edition. Looking at this Ferrari, it's a great looking car. Beautiful, drop dead gorgeous all the way around. Let's look at some of the specs. You got the Ferrari shield, yellow brake calipers, and carbon ceramic brakes. Very squeaky though. It's got the Pirelli P0 on it, and the same thing for the rear. And of course, your little Pininfarina, the design house that designed this car. The lines are beautiful. As this is a Spider, so this roof hides into the engine compartment. And actually, let's demonstrate that for you. Alright, so that's how it's done. So let's look at the profile. Beautiful, right? Great profile. Okay, let's look around the front. Again, all the kind of scoops that you see, they're all functional. Got your cooler radiators down there. Just take some air. As well as here is another air vent. And there's channels right behind the wheels here. It's kind of cool, like this floating prancing horse. Pretty cool. So let's do a quick walk around. Again, it's a really beautiful car. And as you can see on the back, you cannot see the motor because of course, the unit that you saw just flapped down, and very famous Ferrari name. The funny thing though is Enzo Ferrari used to race for Alfa Romeo, their Formula One team. And then he kind of left started his own. So basically, this is the granddaddy, right? Then the prancing horse came. So let's look at the rear. It's got the 3 exhaust exit out there. You got your diffuser fins in the bottom. Single design the Italians like to do, as you can see on the Alfa Romeo 4C. Single tail light design. Alright, let's look at the inside a bit. There's not much to see here on the outside now because, I mean, you can get a glimpse of the motor there and more intakes and cooling for the engine. Let's look at the interior. Interior leather work is amazing. You can see the leather work here. It's really beautiful. Interior. It's beautiful. And the only gripe that I do have, it's funny, this is a 2012 car. And it has Bluetooth for your phone, but it doesn't do the music. So you cannot stream music through your Bluetooth through there. So that's kind of sucky. Okay, let's get this out of the way. I love Ferraris. They're amazing cars. But now I guess I have to do the things that I hate about this car. And there's things to hate about them, just like there's things to hate about every car. So let's go with the things that I hate. I've been talking about everything that I like and everything that I love about this car. Let's continue with the loves, actually. Okay, one thing I love about this car is, of course, you have the racing pedigree of Ferrari, right? Which is hands down groundbreaking because of their Formula One team. And then all the things that they learned through there translated to the cars. The steering wheel is awesome. Carbon fiber trims around it. I think it's a carbon fiber. And you have your little Manatino here. You can choose from race, sport, your start of the engine, controls how soft the shocks are, light controls are there, blinkers left and right, wipers. So everything's really here like Formula One, and the horns is right there. I love that. It looks awesome at night. When you're driving at night, it looks 3D. And the 2 screens that flank it on both sides. So it's really cool. And everything is ergonomic towards the driver. It's very driver focused, just like the Alfa Romeo 4C. Now let's go to the hates. One thing that I do hate is that I cannot stream my Bluetooth. Being a 2012 car, I don't know, guys, I don't know. You guys are probably better than me in regards to when Bluetooth kind of came in. But I wish you could stream your music much easier. That's bummer number 1. The second thing I hate about this car is just the quality of the rubber, look at this. It's like peeling off. It's ridiculous. And this car has like 9,000 miles, so it's not really that much miles. And just look at the wear on that auto button. And the little knob here for the window to go up, messed up. The rubber coating on for the roof, messed up. Right? All the rubber surfaces. It's just terrible. I mean, look at this. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. For the $200,000 that you're paying for a car like this, SRP, man, that's insane. This is a love-hate. There's the keys, right? I mean, this is iconic. This little red fob with the prancing horse on it. Yeah, it's great. But in order to start the car, you have to first put the key in the ignition, turn it. But you can't turn it anymore. That's it. Okay, so the question is, would I buy a 458 Spider? The answer is no. Just don't like the convertible look, even though it looks pretty cool. But you get the engine. You don't see the engine, right? Because to me, that's the heart of the car, is that engine. And by having a Spider, it covers it. And it doesn't, I don't know, I don't like it. So, but that's me. Okay, so anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I do apologize, I haven't been putting up any videos lately. so busy with everything else with Sam. So for all of you guys who follow me with Sam, I have some Sam news video coming up to you guys shortly, but it's all gonna be good. Hey guys, I'll talk to you later.